Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to Design and Code. Today we will see how to design a poster in Figma. Open your Figma and click on New Design File over the top right. Here, once it is open, name it as a social media poster and click on the tool to create a size of the frame, and after clicking go to right design frame, right side of the Figma, and click on the social media, and we will take Instagram post. Once it is created, select rectangle tool, or for this you can apply a background color. Take some color. I am going to design a poster for a fashion store. For the Instagram post, once select some color. I am selecting random color yeah. Now I am going to take a text shop now, and increase the file font size, and to visible more I am adding bold to the text and changing the color to white. I'm checking the color, change the color to white, and adding some more text to fit into the screen to attract the users. I'm adding discount, special discount, up to 25% off. So I want to make this up to 25% with a different style. Need to check the font, suitable font way to attract the visitors. And change it to special discount, normal font, shop now. I will make this color also to white. Instead of white, go with black color. And now we will add some back image. Already I have downloaded a image. We'll drag it to this post. Send it to back. On right click, send it the image to back. See how I'm making this as a mirror of the image of the two persons. I want to showcase all. I want to increase the contrast. Trying to merge the image with the background. Dragging it down. And I want to add some more extra for to the background with some text. I will duplicate this shop now and rotate it. make it to white and reduce the opacity of the text so that we can see the background image of the bag and legs. Now I will preview it. Now I will export this image to JPG. Now it is exposed. So this is the design of a social media post. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.